which is the bombird. But it doesn't look like the usual because these outlines are just like the same in the eyebrows and this, but this part is supposed to be like just yellow, and that's white, so I don't know why they made them like this, but I like it, and that's supposed to be yellow too, but I just like it. You can see the outlines on his beak, and so I can make the Angry Bird sound when they get angry, and it goes, which, I don't know, I like Angry Birds, but my dad, okay, just forget all that, so I'll see you later, and I might have a second bird, but I got this from the Rocky Mount Fair, and I like it, so thank you, and it's very soft, so thank you, see you later. I'll post another video on, I don't know, August 31. See you later. Bye. Bye, everyone. You like to move it, move it. You like to move it, move it. And you like to move it, move it. Now post this, Daddy. Post this. Peaceful. And the bird fly away in the air like a Donkey Kong. Oh. Okay, look at my Angry Bird. So, thank you, everyone. This is my Angry Bird, which I don't have my second one. So thank you for watching. Bye. Okay, Loves.
But I just want to do like...
No, say like what I did.
No.
Now put him in there. Say, that was my first thing, the bombird. Now I have the red bird. Say, come on.
I want to do fun stuff with you.
Man, you want me to post it? And then here's my little sister. You can see here's my bombird, but now this is my second red bird, but my sister, she turned the tail off. Well, I like this one, but I don't really like this because it's too far. You can't see the line going through, and it doesn't really look like it because I don't really like it, but I just want it. But it doesn't have it going through there, it just has it going through there. But you can see its tummy's supposed to be gray. But I like its big eyebrow, like my bombird, his eyebrows. But you can see the bombird has a line through here. Can you see? Okay. It has both lines going through this direction and this direction, but this one only has this direction, which has one going through here, but it doesn't have it going through that way. So, but dude, sister, I want to stop. And so, hope you like it, but I like the outlines on the eyes. Stop. And I like the eyes on this one too. But he doesn't really look like the original, but I still like him. But now I still have to get the white bird, yellow bird, and the blue bird, which at the Rocky Mount Fair. So I'll see you later. But I'm gonna post them like, I don't know, next time we go to a fair. But I hope you liked them. So these are my new Angry Birds. And they're like cuckoo. So, and they're angry. They're angry. So, thank you. But then I'm gonna get the big pigs and big Angry Birds this Christmas. So, thank you for watching. You should remember my name is Trip. So, thank you. And these are my two new. This is my new. This is my first one. But I actually like this one because it's better. But actually, I like this one. So thank you. And here we go. 1 and a 2 and 3, 4, 4.